Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Today, in place of mathematics class, I am going to take the computer introduction. Already, you are familiar with the computer. That also nowadays more familiar with the new concepts from this online teaching and learn process. Yes. So nowadays, you know many new things. Wi-Fi connection, online, how do you connect with the different medias. Okay, so today just I will give the introduction to the computer. So the topic we are going to discuss, block diagram of a computer. Basically, you all have seen the computer. So monitor will be there. The side that will be a box that is called the CPU. Along with the computer, there are various devices are connected like a keyboard, mouse, monitor, and sometimes web camera also. Then speaker also connected to the computer. Okay, so this is called the block diagram of a computer. So these all are called the physical components connected to the computer. All these physically connected components, how it is functioning. That only today we are going to discuss in this class. So block diagram of a computer. Here the blackboard you can see. This is called the CPU. Yes, you all know what is the full form CPU. You have learned from the 3rd standard onwards. Can you tell me anyone full form of CPU? Yes, anyone? Anyone? Can you tell what is the full form of CPU? What is the other name for the CPU? Whoever is present, you can answer this. Yes, Tanmelina, Nikhil. Okay, let it be. CPU is the central processing unit. What? Central CPU is called central processing unit. Yes, very good. Many of you answered. Good, very good. Okay. So also CPU is called what? CPU also it is called the brain of the computer. Yes, this also you know, I think. You have studied in the lower class. Brain of the computer. So alternatively you can see there is a box that is called the CPU. So that CPU, under the CPU, what are the functions are happening? What are the functions are happening under the CPU, central processing unit? Internally, CPU is divided into 3 parts. One is the ALU. ALU, you all know, arithmetic. ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. Yes, how many of you know this? Arithmetic and logical unit. All the computer we are using, sometimes for writing the documentation purpose, and sometimes using Excel, we can do some of the calculations. Also, we are using the arithmetic operations and storing the data. Also, we are using the after calculating for storing, we are using the CPU. Okay. So this ALU, arithmetic and logical unit, are the arithmetic operations. What are the arithmetic operations? Basic arithmetic operations. Yes, you all know addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These all are called the arithmetic operations. So, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These all are called the basic arithmetic operations. Using this, we can do any calculations. Same way, logical operations. Sometimes we want to compare the numbers. Okay, comparison purpose, we are using the logical operators. Logical and or not. And or not. These three operations are called the logical operators. Arithmetic and logical operators. In computer, all the arithmetic and logical related operations are performed under the ALU unit, arithmetic and logical unit. Yes. And next one, MU. MU is the very important unit that is called the memory unit. Yes. Sometimes we can do any of the calculation. After doing the calculation, we can store result in the computer. Or sometimes we are making some documentations or some presentation. Whatever we are making, that we can store in the computer memory. For that purpose, we are using the memory unit. All the memory related information we can store on the computer. And next one, CU. Can anyone tell what is the full form for CU? Control unit. Yes, very good. Pankaj Tripathi gave that very correct answer. Control unit. Okay. Control unit. Also, control unit is very important one in the block diagram of a computer. It controls the overall operation of the computer. So when, how, where, how you want to do such type of all the questions will be handled by control unit. For example, if you are going process, for example, you take simply C is equal to A plus B. So when you have to take the input of these two variables A and B, after taking the input, when you have to calculate and where you have to store. Okay. So for different types of control passing various units like memory unit, input unit, output unit. So the control units under this, it controls the overall operation of the computer. It sends the different types of signals to various units. So this combination of all these three, arithmetic and logical unit, memory unit, and control unit. These three are called the CPU. Under the CPU, all these three things are happening. So these three are the important ones. So combination of these three is called the CPU, Central Processing Unit. Also, it is called the brain of the computer. So without brain, we can't do any of the functions. Same way, without CPU, we can't do any of the work with the help of the computer. Yes. For doing any calculation or storing any data, before that, we have to take the input with the help of the input devices. So the input device, IT is called the input device. Input unit. So with the help of the input unit, we can take various input data. For example, you can prepare a documentation, you can prepare in Excel sheet your mark sheet data. You can prepare already in the fifth standard. You have created a presentation also. CD we can insert. One Mona Sharma is asking where we have to insert the CD. In front of the CPU, you can see there is one button, will be a small button in the CPU right corner. Just you have to press that, then the tray will come out. The tray you have to put your CD. After putting the CD, again you have to insert the press on the button, automatically it will go inside. This is how you can insert your CD on the computer. Video is not seen clearly. Yes. I think your side you can check the connection also. Okay. So input unit. With the help of input unit, we can take different types of data. For taking the input data, we are using the input devices, keyboard. You all are familiar with the keyboard. Also today you all can find out how many keys are there in the keyboard. You can find out from your laptop how many keys are there. Also in your desktop computer how many keys are there. There are more keys will be available on the laptop, and you can count on the key, write it in the notebook how many keys are there in the laptop keyboard and your computer keyboard. So input we can take with the help of the keyboard. Nowadays you all are familiar with the mobile phone touch screen. Using that also you can give the input to the computer. Touch screen also a type of input unit, and then barcode reader. Some malls on the if you go, you can enter the barcode. Small type scan device will be there. They can scan with the help of the scanner, and they can find out what is the product and the cost. So that scanner also a type of input unit. So there are number of input devices are there. Can you tell me some of the input devices? Yes. Anybody can name some of the input devices? Yes, you can make a separate notebook around 60 pages or 100 pages notebook you can make. In that notebook, you can write computer first lesson introduction to computer. Then the first topic you write. The block diagram of a computer. Then you can draw this block diagram. Yes, very good. Some other children they are giving the answer. Keyboard, mouse. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. Yes, very good. Speaker is the output device. Speaker is not the input device. Now we are discussing about the input devices, not the output device. Keyboard, mouse, touch screen, scanner, these all are called the input devices. Even camera also called the input device. You can capture the photo and you can send it to the computer. This is called the input device. Yeah, in the old notebook also if there are more pages are available, you can use the same notebook also for this year, no problem. Whoever made the more than 100 pages notebook, you can continue on the same notebook. This year also, no problem. Joystick, yes, very good. Joystick also a kind of input device. That input device where we are using. Can anyone tell me where we are using this joystick? Joystick we are using while playing the games in the mall, and we go there while playing the video games. We use the joystick. Joystick also light pen. Sometimes the tab and when you are using, you are using a kind of pen that is also called light pen. So these are some of the input device: keyboard, mouse, light pen, scanner, joystick, camera. All are called the input devices. Very good. Yes. Okay. Next one, output device. Okay, output device. Yes, you all know. Name some of the output devices. What is the use of output device? Output device is used to display the processed data. Processed means after calculating some calculations or after preparing some documentation or after preparing some of the presentations, we can show our result. Yes, very good. Monitor, speaker. Yes, very good. In the video also we can convert the presentation in the form of video, then we can present. Yes, very good, very good. Printer, very good. Printer also a type of output device. Yes, very good children. So after doing the calculation, we are going to present our result. Where we can present, the first one is the monitor. Immediately we can see our output on the screen, computer screen. So this is the very popular and familiar output device. After that, we can take out the printout of the same whatever the result is displayed on the computer. So that is called the printout of the hard copy. We can say that is the hard copy. HARD. Yes, you should be very familiar. You are hard copy and soft copy. Hard copy means you can take the printout of the result and you can keep it in the file or in the folder. That is called the hard copy. And the soft copy is called the same content whatever is prepared that you can store on the computer or pen drive, or you can store in the Gmail account. Okay, so these all are called the soft copy. You can maintain a soft copy of your data. In the soft copy, later you can do any of the corrections. But in the hard copy, you can't do. Manually, you can do the corrections on your hard copy of the data. Yes. So with the help of the input devices, we can take the input, and then after receiving the input, that may be any numbers. For example, if you want to do the calculation, C is equal to A plus B. For calculating the C value, you need A and B. These two values, you can take it from the help of the keyboard. Then after taking the input A and B value, that is transferred to the CPU. In the CPU, initially you can store the data on the A and B value to the memory unit. Okay, after storing A and B value, now you can do the calculation under the ALU. Okay, ALU, that is operation A plus B, we can do under the ALU unit. Then after the result, calculated result that is called the process. The result will be displayed with the help of the output devices. Output device, immediately you can see the output on the screen. Yes, with the help of the output device, the result will be displayed. Yes, children, are any other doubt you are having? I want to take. Yes. So in the laptop, it is all together. All the devices are connected together because CPU, monitor, keyboard all are connected. Okay, so it is bulky also. So it consumes more data. All the cameras, speakers, all are built in. So automatically it consumes more charger. So that's why we have to connect the charger to the laptop. But in the desktop computer, whenever we need that time only we can connect. It's not compulsory. Computer also we are using the power. The initially we are switching on the computer. First we are switching on the computer. Power supply is continuous power supply for the computer also, laptop also. Laptop sometimes backup will be there. Some half an hour to 45 minutes you can use the without direct power supply you can use your laptop. But the CPU continuously you need the power supply. So desktop computer we can't move here and there, but laptop computer we can move from one place to other place. Yes, children. Okay, today we conclude with this block diagram of a computer. Yes, just I will give you the overview of this. Okay. The CPU, under the CPU there are three units are there: ALU, memory unit, and the control unit. This all together is called the CPU or the brain of the computer. Yes, network is output device and it is network. It is a kind of connection we are getting. But even in the computer also we are connecting different devices. For example, mouse we are connecting, keyboard we are connecting, camera we are connecting. For connecting different devices we need the cable. Okay, a network also a kind of cable that may be wired connection or wireless connection. Okay, for these mouse nowadays wired and wireless both we are having. By default in the desktop computer or the mouse keyboard are connected with the wired connection. It is not the output input device or output device. Okay, network is not a input or output device. It is a one connector. We can connect different devices or by parts we can connect to the computer. Yes, any other doubt you are having? Okay, children. So input we can access with the help of the input devices and we can process under the CPU. Then we can produce the output with the help of the output devices. Yes, you can make a small notebook, 60 pages or 100 pages notebook. In the notebook, you can write introduction to the computer, then block diagram of a computer. Below that, just you can draw this diagram. The remaining, I will give you the instruction later. Thank you, children.